Welcome to MyKidReports. In this video, we'll walk through the updated Enrollment Packet feature and show the complete process, from creating the packet, to previewing the parent experience, to reviewing the final submission. An Enrollment Packet is a digital collection of forms, documents, requests, and agreements that your center needs during enrollment. Instead of managing paperwork manually, MyKidReports helps you collect everything online in one organized packet. To begin, go to the Admissions section and open Enrollment Packet. Here you can view existing packets or create a new one. Click Create New Packet. First, enter the Enrollment Packet name. For example, we'll name this Summer Camp 4 years old. Using a clear name helps your staff easily identify which packet should be sent to each family. Now you'll see a new option called Preview, what parents will experience. This updated feature gives you a clear preview of the full parent journey before the packet is sent. It helps your center understand exactly what parents will see, what steps they need to complete, and what happens after they submit the packet. When you open the preview, you'll see the main steps in the enrollment process. First, parent receives an email. This shows the invitation email that parents will receive from your school. You can preview the email and edit the content if needed. Next, set a password and sign in. This shows how parents create a password and securely access the family portal. Then, fill the packet. Parents complete the required child information, parent details, fillable forms, and document requests. After that, you review the submission. Once the parent submits the packet, your admin team receives an alert. Nothing is added to your records until you review and approve the submission. Finally, student is added to your roster. After approval, the child is added to your system and moves to the appropriate stage in the admissions pipeline. This preview helps your center review the complete enrollment journey before sending the packet to families. Now, let's customize the packet. The first section is Children Information. Here you can collect important child details such as first name, last name, date of birth, gender, allergies, medications, emergency contacts, and other child-related information. You can choose which fields parents should see, and you can mark fields as required or optional based on your center's needs. If you need to collect additional information, you can add a custom field with your own question. Next is Parent Information. This section collects parent or guardian details such as name, email, phone number, address, and other contact information. Just like the child section, you can decide which fields are required and which fields are optional. Next comes Documents to share with parents. Here you can upload documents that parents should receive, such as your parent handbook, tuition policy, fee structure, school calendar, or center policies. These documents are shared with the family as part of the enrollment packet, so parents have everything they need in one place. Now, let's move to fillable documents. Here you can add forms that parents need to complete online. You can select a previously created document, or you can create a new one by clicking Create Fillable Document. If you want to learn how to create fillable documents properly, you can watch our paperwork video, where we explain that process in detail. Parents can complete these forms digitally without printing, scanning, or sending paperwork by hand. Next is Document Requests. This section allows your center to request files from parents, such as immunization records, birth certificates, parent IDs, custody documents, or medical forms. Click Add Document Request. Enter the document name and add a short description if needed. You can also enable an expiration date for documents that need to be renewed later. Once all sections are complete, review your packet carefully. Make sure required fields are marked correctly, shared documents are uploaded, fillable documents are attached, and document requests are added. Before creating the packet, you can click Preview what parents will experience again to review the parent journey. You can also click Review the form parents will fill to see the forms and documents attached to the packet, exactly as parents will see them. When everything looks ready, click Create Packet. Your enrollment packet is now ready to send. Next, go to the admissions pipeline. When a child reaches the enrollment stage, you can send the enrollment packet directly to the parent. The parent receives the packet online. They fill out child information, complete parent details, review shared documents, finish fillable forms, upload requested documents, and submit everything digitally. After the parent submits the packet, your admin team can review everything inside MyKidReports. You can verify submitted information, check uploaded documents, review completed forms, and approve the submission. Once approved, the child is added to your roster and continues through the admissions process. With the updated enrollment packet in MyKidReports, enrollment becomes faster, cleaner, and more organized. You can create customized packets, preview the parent experience, collect information, share documents, request files, and review submissions, all in one digital workflow. For the complete step-by-step admissions process, check out our full admission tutorial video. Smarter, simpler, connected. Start using the updated enrollment packet in MyKidReports today.